problem is given.
Save the life of the injured person.
Yes, as first priority we should be the treating the water follow.
And I think that we should go step by step. Let us first discuss the problems as a priority. As we can see, the first priority should be the injured man. Second should be the Panipur reservoir. The regulation schedule should
And
be
also water.
And the third
and also
fourth problem should be foreigners going
Foreigners
to Now let us, time now is 4 p.m. So we can discuss for 10 minutes to the planning.
the first problem should be of taking injured man, helping injured man and going to Panipur reserve, because it is around timing is 4:30.
Evan's point that we should take the injured person to the Gola.
No, we cannot take injured person. No, we cannot take injured person because he is only there who has the knowledge of maintaining the reserve.
As it is a village and he is bleeding seriously, so we cannot find a proper medication there. And
the injuries cannot be there. We can assume that the injuries are not as such fatal.
Even though the Gola is far, but we should have to take the injured person to the Gola, because we will not find a good hospital in Sanu village, as it is clearly mentioned that it is a village. So instead of taking him to Sanu, we should take him to Gola, and there we can also inform the police about the Raja Fort, the planning which is going on in
The planning should be that we can provide the medication at that place only, because he is the only person who is having the knowledge of reservoir maintaining, because we are not having the technical knowledge of the reservoir, how to open it, and we tackle that problem, and the injuries might not be that much fatal, and we can get these first aid.
Because we just have to hand over the regulation paper to the officer which is authorized there.
For opening the gates of the dam, we should have some technical knowledge also, and he is only the person. He is only the person who is having the knowledge of how to open the dam.
These regulation papers we can give to the two members of our group.
But the time is limited. It is only we have to open the gate at 4:30 p.m. We can first aid.
There should be a cycle and cyclists can go to the Panipur reservoir.
As he is fainted only. As he is fainted only, after having some first aid, we can took him with us to the dam, and he will help us.
He is bleeding, so we should to take this man at the Sanu with him by the vein.
Okay,
Is not take the injured person to the dam because there is no such need of taking him to dam.
Okay, then we can
like the dam, as there will be dam instructor, so we just have to like show them papers so that they can stop the flow of the dam and
all as we know a group. So 2 person in the van can go to Gola district by taking the.
We can send them with the truck driver.
yeah, we should.
We can't send him with the truck driver. That's number 4. I partially agree with you, because if we send the van, then it will be more convenient to travel in the city, because the truck cannot move much faster.
But we also help the travelers who are.
We can also took the travelers with the injured, and we can move them into Sanu village in the truck. It will helping us, and we can also inform the local police of Sanu village.
Clearly seeing it seems like it is a highway or something, so there must be some lift. We can take a lift for the foreigners, and it is also the last priority. So we should
It is last priority, but the time is not at the last. The time is around 6 a.m. 6 p.m. Sorry.
7 p.m.
And the time is also limited to attend the festival.
Not that tourist have to reach are there at 5 p.m. and we have to ensure that the tourists also get at their time at their position at time, and also we have to open the gates at 4:30 p.m. The first 2 teams should go for Sanu village by taking tourists as well as informing the local police of Sanu village, and in there
there are 10 students into 3 parts. First part will be take that injured person to the Sanu village along with the tourist, and second priority will be we will go to
can divide the group in 3 parts.
As you know,
Because we also have to have a great manpower.
100% to the Gola,
Yes.
and
Yeah.
2 persons can go to the Panipur reservoir, and 6 persons can go to the
Yes,
Raja Fort.
I am agree with chest number 9 because we need manpower also.
because they have also.
They are also having arms. And the
Tourists
and
will
the
go with that injured person to the Sanu village and take him to the Sanu village and
Gentlemen, I
give the
don't
medical.
think there is need of going with the tourists or to Sanu.
No, that part will.
as the tourists are armed, we have to take help of the police also because they are armed. We cannot confront them.
But just number
They
क्या है?
go to the Basti so that they help the foreigners to repair their van.
No, because
Yeah, the repairment of van can't be done within time.
But I think they are going
yeah,
to
we are,
Sanu
this is
village.
the
It can be done later.
Chest number 9, another second group will go to the dam with the authorized key and told that staff that the whole situation and show their.
Yes,
staff-
I am agreeing with chest number 22 that there will be a staff also at their water reservoir.
Let us discuss the time and distance also. As we can see, the Gola village is approximately 35 kilometers.
25 kilometers.
If we are using a van, it will approximately take
half an hour.
5 minutes.
Yes, the police of the Gola village can also go to Raja Fort directly from there.
And,
But in the mail,
we should also discuss the mode of transport to go to the Raja Fort, as we can take a lift from Dhaba.
Yes.
We can arrange some bike or bicycle from the Dhaba.
Instead of
We should-
I think that there are
we should tell.
as you mentioned that there is a group of 6 people
We-
which are left though, so they will take the help of civilians also.
We
and
should-
take took vehicle from the Dhaba and reach to the Raja Fort and other they will support this.
As it is unmetal road. It is unmetal road. We can move by
Very well
vehicles
said.
also.
After reaching Raja Fort, they can gather the people and told them about the situation. So it will be easier to capture the culprit.
Culprits. And we also have to
Plenty of people who are going to Raja Fort, so they should use truck for that.
and we after
They took the vehicle from the Dhaba, so there is not any priority.
after taking the papers also we have to hand back them to the chief engineer also because the papers belongs to him. After taking all this we can
And I think the Panipur reservoir is around 6 to 7 kilometers. Not 6 to 7.
the Panipur reservoir problem is already solved because it is around 30 minutes.
And
I
I
think
think
from the metro road it will be 10 to 12 kilometers.
yeah, and now if we are going by cycle, it will approximately take us 20 minutes.
Yeah, 20
Yes.
We can also arrange a bike from the Dhaba. Bike
But
also
I
can
think
go to the
generally it
Dhaba.
is only a
we-
part,
so we are the
bike.
we are the police department, we can rolling there.
We can go to reserve.
But a metal road is a much longer distance.
But we can cover in the short time by the help of bike.
After opening the gates of the Panipur village, we can also the teams can also help or ask the Dhaba owner to help the tourists to reach at their place or at Sanu at a time of 5 p.m. The villagers, the Dhaba person can also help them by giving them lift also, and he can also take charge that he will return their van also at time to them. And the team which is going to Gola, the first team which is having 6 persons majority manpower, they will go to Raja Fort, and the other team who is having the injured man and also will take also police at there as Raja Fort, and they can reach easily at before 7 p.m.
They can come with the police by van also.
Yeah.
They will meet at Raja Fort and they will come back to Dhaba and the.
Even it is unmetal road, but police vans can go at there.
Okay, gentlemen, so they are taking 6 people to Raja Fort, 2 people to Gola and 2 people to Panipur Dam.
Yes, definitely. Chest number 30 has a valid point.
And if we see the distance of Raja Fort, it is approximately 7 kilometers.
After capturing the culprits and doing all the tasks that the group, as they have already decided to meet at the Dhaba. As they are already decided to meet at the Dhaba, all the team will collect at 7:30. All the teams will come at 7 p.m. and they will after that they will go at their campfire at 7:30.
At the last.
Yes.
And then they will go to the farmhouse.
Before dividing the team, they have also briefed that they all have to collect at some place, and that is chosen as Dhaba. and
Two
after
of us will go
from there
by the van because
they can move by their
will go
van.
the Raja Fort and 2 of us the Panipur reservoir. Now
And after that they will reach.
we will together at Dhaba. That was no because we are the destination is already.
We are going to
two of
take
us
him
already
as Gola
reached
village.
there. So we rest are 8 people.
So the mode
So
of
let's
transport
conclude
to
the whole-
Raja Fort is
let's
I
conclude
think
the whole-
jeep. We can take a lift from jeep as it is a dhaba.
No, the transportation issue is also solved, that we are going to use truck, van, and some going to have some lift
So, okay,
and
gentlemen,
also
there are
using
10
cycle.
students. Let's conclude our plan. So there are 10 students divided into 3 parts.
Three parts.
So consist of 2, 2 and 6 people.
Six,
And
yes.
first we are going to take that injured person with tourist to the Gola.
At the same time, they are also moving to
At the same time, they are
Rajasthan.
going to the water
And-
reservoir. So as mentioned, that tourist had, that engineer had authorized documents, and they are going to show that documents to the staff and told them whole scenario, and that's how they resolved the
And
Panipur
the
reservoir
Raja-
matter. And
the-
after that, the 6 person along with the civilian and dhaba that are present there, they are going to have and go to
But
the
why
Raja
the-
Fort.
Yes, definitely. He is having a valid
Why
point.
we the tourists are going to Gola because tourists are will go to the south.
No, the tourists are going to solve. The tourist problem can be solved with taking helping of the Dava person.
We can take a lift for the foreigners.
We can provide the lift.
Yeah.
Yes.
We can help them in taking
Provide the
lift.
lift.
And after taking help of police, after capturing the culprit and giving back the papers to the police can hand papers to the police can hand the papers to the chief engineer also, because we don't need to get at that place, and after doing all tasks our team will gather at Daba and we will move on for camp.
Persons who are at time again they will reach back to the
It will be
dhaba.
at the 7 p.m. at
Yeah.
Dhaba.
I think
What are you asking about?
10 p.m.
Is that the persons are who are in the Panipuri dam, how they will get back to the dhaba?
6:45 is off.
They can move by public due also.
Till 6.
They can move and
They have to reach the farm till 7 p.m.
Okay.
so they should reach earlier to the dhaba so that they get together and get to the farm.
We can easily cover in
Yes.
5 minutes. by way.
Okay.
I think chest number 9.
I think chest number 9 can conclude it.
Our aim to reach farmhouse before 7:30 p.m. to celebrate a party. And now if we discuss the problems as per priority, and our first priority should be the saving the life of injured men, and the second should be the stopping the overflow of water at Panipur dam, and the third should be the stopping the deal at Raja Fort, and the fourth should be helping the foreigners to reach Sanu village. And now if we talk about the resources, as we have came from van, so it is one of the resources. We have a group of 10 people and we have a truck, and there are also some resources like as it is a dhaba, we can easily find a cycle and a jeep. And now if we talk about the solution, and all the tasks will be completed simultaneously, and we have divided the group in 2 to 6. 2 people will go to Panipur dam by using the cycle, and it distance is approximately 6 to 7 kilometers. So I think it will take around 20 minutes. And then as the person is severely injured, so we have to take him to Gola, and the distance is 35 kilometers, and it will take approximately 30 minutes. Now the 2 persons which are going to Gola, they can inform the police there about the deal which is going to be happened at Raja Fort. And now by taking a lift from Dhaba, 6 people can move to Raja Fort, as the distance is around 5 to 6 kilometers, and the time taken will be 15 minutes. And after reaching Raja Fort, they can talk to people which are present at Raja Fort, and they can gather people, and they can catch the culprit. And until then, the police will come to Raja Fort with the van and the 2 people. And from Raja Fort, after handing over the culprits to the police, they can return back to Dhaba before 7 p.m. and the 2 persons can also return from Panipur dam to Dhaba, and after meeting at Dhaba at 7 p.m. They can move to farmhouse. Thank you.